Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Yeah, it's a gloomy day out here, but that's okay. That's okay. It's one of our days. Yeah. But I hope you all having a beautiful Monday. Yeah. But today, guys, it is Vlogmas day. I think it's day 13. I think it's day 13. Yeah. But listen, guys, I'm just going to share with you some things I am doing here in my garden, okay? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to share with you all today is Jody went to the post office this morning. Yeah. And she picked up one package. And in that package, it was this, y'all. Y'all may know her. Y'all may know her. Boom. Cooking with Dorsha. And this is her book, #GirlDads, 10 Lessons I've Learned from My Dad. This is amazing, and I'm going to read it today. Yes, thank you, Dorsha. Thank you, my baby. This is beautiful. I am inspired to just go ahead on and read the entire book. And then she sent me another book. It's called Shattered, The Story of Morgan by Didi Jules. And I am going to read this one also. Thank you, Dorsha. But most importantly, okay, for me, just for me. So Dorsha had a live, and she and her friend makes jewelry, and I've seen the jewelry on Dorsha, and of course I loved it, right? So when they pulled out these earrings, it just automatically came out, and I said, I could rock those earrings. And they put my name on it. And here it is. She sent them to me, y'all. So, check this out. Tomorrow night on my live, which is at 7 p.m. Central Time, I'm going to rock these, y'all. They are gorgeous. I love them. They're light. Oh, man. This is just amazing. And I thank you so much, Dorsha, and your friend who made them. Thank you. Thank you. I love them. And I'm going to rock this thing, y'all. All right, guys. All right, guys. I wanted to share with you all. I cooked some greens, and this is the last of that rutabaga I harvest. And this is some baked chicken wings. Cornbread. I have some muffin cornbread, too, I made. I did both. Yeah. Anyway, this is my greens, and there is smoked turkey necks and smoked turkey wings in here. That's what's in there. Wait a minute, y'all. Hold on one second. Just a little hint now. Just a little bit. So this is my lunch. Anyway, guys, it's been a really dreary looking day, and definitely had me in a dreary kind of mood. Oh boy, I put a little kick to it. But I hope you enjoy just hanging out with me for a little while today. And I'm gonna get here and eat. Maybe that'll give me some energy. When the day is so dreary, it just makes me All right, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me on Vlogmas day 13. It's day 13 of Vlogmas. All right, guys. Later, y'all.